What is good, people? Today we're working on a new Civic Si, my father-in-law, 2015 Civic Si. He's got a check engine light. So yeah, we've got the launch scanner plugged into it. If you've never plugged it in before, it goes down there, plugs in a little bit on the left. The 8th gen's right by the right pocket here, but that's not what we're working on here today. So let's see. All right, got shift knob here, clutch in, and it's push to start. All right, car's on. Just checking the shifter here. All right, let's go ahead and do a diagnostic, see what we got. All right, diagnostics for Honda. Okay. (16-pin) USA. All right, that's the warning he's seeing. Check hill assist system. All right, let's do a health report. Execute. Engine not running, correct? Engine should be out of engine, and neutral. We are in neutral. Okay. All right, scanning has begun. All right, we got done scanning. Looks like ECU's got some fault codes. Fan, CAN bus, manufacturer module, power steering, low volt. Looks like he might have lost like battery, and then all these devices. I've seen that happen a lot. Yeah, power to, yeah, so I think he ran out of battery. I'll have to ask him. And the major one that was on this one was for this guy here. So ABS, the back light switch was stuck on, and then another loss of power. So I think because of this, it's causing his, was it hill assist to go off? So I cleared the code. That is gone now. And so now I'll clear the codes for everything else. But I'm pretty sure this was all just because of he let the battery drain too low. And when the batteries get too low, they don't like to communicate anymore. So, yeah. Is it clear? No. Okay. So let's send the report. All right, well, yeah, that'll be it for this video. See you on the next one. Peace.